you guys doing? My wife and I are out here. We got a couple packages a couple weeks ago. My wife is going to start hunting with me next year. And what are you going to hunt with?
A bow.
And what kind of bow are we going to get?
Crossbow.
Crossbow?
Yeah.
She had a couple shoulder injuries, so she'll use a crossbow next year. So we got ourselves some boots, or she got herself a pair of boots. We're going to show you these. We got them from TideWe. They got some really great prices out there. So I'll let her open hers first, and we'll see what she's got in here.
Yeah, the prettiest.
She's got the prettiest ones.
Ooh, look at that.
We'll throw the box on the ground.
TideWe box.
Sadie will get the box.
Ooh, I like this color.
Sweet. So hopefully
Nice.
she won't fill them up with muck and nasty smelling
they can
stuff.
be pretty. I'll wash them.
We'll wash them up.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet, those are nice looking boots.
Oh, I like them. They're going to match my jacket.
Oh, wow. I have to get that hunter pink going. Awesome. Look like they're really nice. Those should keep her dry, hopefully, out there. Some of the spots I've been hunting, it gets pretty deep. I've filled my boots a couple times already. So don't mind Sadie, she's running around in the back with the box, keeping her occupied. I got myself, if I can get the box out. We'll confuse Sadie now, we'll throw another box out there for her. So I got a belt. And these are some waders. I've gotten my boot stuck a couple times. It's gone up to my knee. And then trying to pull your foot out of the muck, and guess what happens? The boot comes off and the water fills up inside.
Look at Sadie.
It is a wonderful feeling walking around, pouring the water out, and then walking around with all the water still in the boots and the rubber part of the boot. So, I haven't looked at these yet. Well, look what they sent me too. Pretty nice.
A phone case.
One of the phone cases. I'll let her use this since I have mine. I had a video where I stealth stripped mine. I'll stick that in her boot. Thank you, TideWe. I don't know if that goes with all of their boot or all of their waders or what, but and we've got, well, it looks like a little patch kit in case you were to rip a hole in here. And we'll take this plastic off. And let's see what we got here. So I got the nice tall ones.
Oh my goodness.
I'll try and hold them up for you. Whoop. She'll flip it over.
Oh, those are fancy.
Those are pretty nice.
Very fancy.
Yeah, see how those work out. At least if I get stuck when I pull my leg up, my boot won't come off, or if it does, it won't matter. These are really nice. So you got a shotgun shell case or holder right here in the front with a couple little clips. Got some pockets right here. And then you got some pockets right there also on this side.
That's pretty fancy.
And
This zips open.
pocket right here. Oh, my wife says this zips open also, which is kind of nice. Sorry the boxes are in the way. But those are some really nice waders.
All right. What a pair we're going to be.
Absolutely.
It's going to
A
be
pair of
fun.
our TideWeeds.
It'll be fun.
It's going to be fun out there. She's going to take down a big buck next year. Get some more venison in the freezer for us. All right, guys, this is just an unboxing of our TideWeeds. We'll let you know how they go. We'll get them out in the woods. She'll probably go out and start scouting with me in February, March, April. We'll get that Onyx hunt map going. We've got a lot of spots on there marked already. And we'll have fun out there in the woods, right, darling?
It's going to be a blast.
Okay. See you guys later. Have an awesome day. And we'll let you know how these babies turn out and how they feel when we're walking around in the water. Bye-bye, guys. Have a great day.
Bye.